Today, we're going to go through the Send a Job feature as a premium subscriber on the MYKEYS Pro mobile app. First, make sure your Wi-Fi for your mobile device and Smart Pro are linked to the same network. Get started, open up your app and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you want to go to the guided processes and select Program a Vehicle Key. Select the make, model, and year of the vehicle you need to program. Choose the key you need from the filtered list of key remotes, with selections based on year ranges or different key types. Key types include prox push button or bladed keys. After you make a selection, you will see the programming information listed, and at the very top of the screen, you will see your registered Smart Pro serial number. That tells you which Smart Pro device you'll be sending the job to. This can also be changed if you have multiple devices by simply toggling to the next registered device you have available. Now you're ready to hit send. Once you hit send, the programming information will appear directly on the Smart Pro interface. You will be able to see all the vehicle information, the available photos of the car remote, and the OBD port, as well as any tips and hints for the job. Now that you have all of your programming information reviewed, you're ready to start the job.